EPF has enabled its members to do an early withdrawal. So let us look at how it has been restructured. So over here, we can see that pre the restructuring, there is account 1 and account 2, whereby 70% will be allocated in account 1 while 30% will be allocated in account 2. That being said, after the restructure, there will be 3 accounts, which is account persaraan, account sejahtera, and also account flexible, whereby this particular allocation can enable us to do an early withdrawal. So in terms of conditions for the account flexible withdrawal, these are the 3 conditions. The first is that person needs to be below the age of 55. Second is that this particular individual needs to have a little bit of savings in his account flexible, while the third is a minimum withdrawal of about 50 ringgit. So post the restructuring, every time when we do a contribution, it will be broken up into 3 buckets. The first bucket is account persaraan, which is a 75% allocation, where this can be only taken out from the EPF upon us reaching the age of 55. Second bucket is account sejahtera, which is a 15% allocation. This can be taken out for a couple of events, which are as follows. Number 1 is housing. Second is for educating ourselves. Third is for healthcare expenses. Fourth is for insurance protection. Fifth is for Hajj. And the last one is upon reaching the age of 50 years old. And the final allocation, which is account flexible, would be 10% from our monthly contribution. This is where we can do our early withdrawal from our EPF. So the example over here, say that Ali earns about 1,840. 10% will be allocated into his account flexible, which makes it about 184 ringgit. And this is how much he can withdraw from his account flexible. That being said, for his old age, 75% of that contribution would be put into account persaraan, while the remaining 276 ringgit will be put in his account sejahtera. That being said, if we feel that the money is just not enough, this is where we can dip in from our account 2 to fund our account 3. And this is how the calculation would be. For those that have above 3K in their account sejahtera, 1/3 would be used to fund the account flexible, whereby if this person has 30K in his account sejahtera, 1/3 can be put into the account flexible. So the example over here right now is, say this person by the name of Adam has about 30K in his account sejahtera. What will happen with that 30K is that 1/3 will go to his account flexible. So over here, we could see that the money from account sejahtera will be moved to his account flexible, and 1/3 of 30K would be 10K in his account flexible. That being said, if an individual has below 3K but above 1K, this is where only 1,000 can be moved from your account sejahtera to your account flexible, while the remaining balance would be in the account sejahtera. So assuming right now this person has about 2,700 in his account sejahtera, 1,000 will be transferred in his account flexible, while the rest would be in his account sejahtera. Finally, for those that have below 1,000, let us assume this person has about 900 in his account sejahtera. The whole amount will be moved into the account flexible.